Hello and welcome. I am Raghav. How many times it has happened that when you are filling a form online or whether you are doing a form filling testing, you have to go to each and every field and enter or type everything manually. Now, what if I tell you that there is a tool that you can use and you can fill all the fields of your form just with a single click? And it doesn't matter whether you have 10 fields or 100 fields, you can fill everything in your form just by one click. And it's not just random data. In case you want to fill specific data in specific fields, you can get that. You can do that whether you are doing exploratory testing, whether you are doing form testing or functional testing, or you are actually filling a form online, you can use this tool. So let's see this tool. This is from SelectorsHub and it's very interesting. So I'll go to selectorshub.com and you will find here there is a tool called Auto Data Filler. This is a free browser plugin. So let's go here and you can directly add it to your browser. So you can see this is a free browser plugin to fill data in one click, and you can also do testing with it, and it is available for all the browsers. I'll just add it to my browser and it's done. It is here, and let me go to some page where we have forms. So I'll just go to this practice page of Selectors Hub and you will see this plugin browser extension will come inside these extensions. And if you want, so you can see this is here auto data filler. If you want, you can pin it so it comes here. So it is now here, and you can see this is a page with this form, and there are so many fields: email, password, company, mobile number, and so many other fields. So let's see what happens now. I'll just click on this plugin here. I'll click this and you can see everything is filled here, and it is actual according to the field. For example, this is an email, so you can see an email is filled. This is a password, this is company, this is mobile number, so a mobile number is filled. This is a country name is filled here, and you can see accordingly everything is done just with a click of a button. Okay, so you can see it saves a huge time. Now this is just the beginning. Let us see some more features of this tool. So this is what we have done by just clicking on the plugin. Now you want to go to some particular field. Let's say I want to go to email field, and I can do a right click here and you will find this option for auto data filler. And this option you will only find on these input fields like text boxes. If you do somewhere here, you do a right click here, you will not find it here. So I'll do a right click and go to auto data filler, and this is an email, so you can see email addresses is here, and we have options for valid and invalid. So if you are testing, you can also test with invalid. So like there is no add to or domain, missing at, missing address, all these two ads, etc., and valid also. So let's say I will add a simple email address, and you can see it is added here. Okay, similarly, let's say mobile number, I can go and again go to auto data filler, and you can see we have numbers here, and similarly we have all these currencies as well. So you can see all these options are here. Okay, let's say if I go down, I will go to some, let's say these are payment details and I want a card number. Now here again I can do a right click and go to auto data filler, and I will go to here we have payment cards, and again we have lots of options here. So you can go and see I want a valid Stripe, I will go for Visa and I will add it here. Okay, so this is very straightforward, very handy. Now let's say I will do a right click on any input field and go to auto data filler, and you will have a option. So these are all the different fields, and then there is a option for customize menus. I will go here and this brings me here. This is the place where you can actually customize the menus. You can see for amounts, city, currency, these are the details that we already have. Now in case you want to edit it according to your needs, your requirements, you can always do that, and you can do it here. You can paste your JSON here, you can get it from file or URL, or let's say I want to do it only for this amount, or let's say I will do for email address. I will click on edit, and you can see it has come here, and whatever I want I can now make changes here and save it. So for example, for invalid I will add one entry. I will give a comma here and add one entry. I will say 2 at the rate symbols, and I will add this here. So this is what I have added, 2 at the rate symbols, and this is what will get added, and I will just save it. I will preview and save, and now if I go to the email field, do a right click, auto data filler, and go to email addresses invalid. You can see I have got my 2 at symbols, and this is the field, this is the value. I will add it, and it is added here. Okay, so this is how you can customize according to your needs, according to your requirements of your testing, or maybe if you really want to fill a form and you want some particular data or values, you can always add it here. Okay, now again I will again do a right click and go to auto data filler, and here you can see we have option to fill mandatory fields only. Now if you check this, what happens is it will only fill the mandatory fields, and the fields which are not mandatory it will leave as it is, and you can then fill it according to your needs, or if you want to keep them empty you can do that. So this option is also here, and then you can see we have other option here, customize autofill profile. So this is really useful. I will go here, and you can see here if you want to customize your autofill. So for example, as of now when I clicked on this button, it filled everything randomly or whatever was already set. But if you want to customize it according to your needs, your data, you can always go here and you can add your profile here. So you can just add a JSON, or you can add from a file as well. So let's say you want to add a JSON, so you can directly download the template here. So let's say I will download the template JSON, so it will get downloaded here, and let me just open it. And this is the JSON. Let's say I will change something here. I will update the email. I will say John Doe, and whatever you want to make changes you can do accordingly. If you want to add more fields you can do that, and I'll just copy this and I will paste it here, and I will name it something, let's say my profile 1, and I will save the profile. Okay, so now it is saved and now it is active. Also you can see here there is an option for filling only mandatory fields. So if you want to skip optional fields you can also check this, otherwise you can keep it unchecked or off here, and then you have to select your profile from here. So now I have to use my profile 1. I will use this, and also we have this option if you want to use the profiles data wherever available or only the fields covered by the profile. You can also check this. Okay, so this is like, for example, if you select this, now let's say in a form there is some text box for country and your profile does not have that value, so it will randomly fill that. Otherwise if you check only this one, only fields covered by the profile, it will leave those fields which are not in the profile. So I'll go with this, and now let us now go here, and I will now just click on this plugins auto data filler icon, and you can see everything is filled according to my profile, and you can also see the email is what I have set there is filled. You can do this on any other, try this on any other forms or websites. Let me go to this one. I will see if this works here, and again I will click on this, and you can see everything is filled whatever I have set accordingly. Okay, I'll go to one more form here online, and I will try again here, and again you can see it has filled everything according to whatever we have in our profile. Okay, so you can see how handy and useful it is. You can customize it, you can use it for exploratory testing, you can use it for functional testing, you can use it for your actual form filling, and it will save you a lot of time. So please try this and let me know how did you find this tool, and I will see you soon. Thank you for watching and never stop learning.